Hi, I already got this molding. See, this is this crown molding. This is 45 degree, and if you're gonna 45 degree and 45 degree, so there's two 45 degree, and if you don't know how to cut that, then you're in big trouble. And I'll show it to you. This 45 degree. So this is how it goes. I put this in, you see this one? I'll show it to you what it looks like when I put it. It's an angle, so there's gonna be a hollow inside. You see? It looks like this. So it's like that. So there's no gap right on this angle right here. So if you don't know how to cut it, then you're a big problem. That's the angle that it's really hard to do. And somebody was asking me if he can do it for me, so I hired him. But I have to let him go because it took him just one corner. Took him all day. He doesn't know how to cut it. So anyway, I will show it to you later when I'm done.